Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, what you guys want to do is shorten your screen timeout. So you do that in the settings. Let's go over, wait for the phone to start. Then we're gonna move on into the settings app. So we're gonna open up settings app right now. Then we're gonna scroll down until we see display, and here in the display we want to go over, and here we have our screen timeout. Now I recommend putting it at either 15 or 30 seconds. It's totally up to you, but I feel like 30 seconds is a good amount of time and 15 seconds is just too low. Next, what you guys want to do is restrict the background app activity. So we do that in the battery settings. Now here in the battery settings, we just go over, click view details in the battery usage, and search for apps that we can easily restrict. So almost every single app has background usage limits and they are put to deep sleep. This is where we want to be with every single app. As you guys can see, we cannot change this one, but every single app that has some usage, of course, it has some background limits. So make sure that you do the same for every single app that's using a lot of battery to improve the battery life overall. And then what you guys want to do is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button, the volume down button, and now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is go over, enter the password if you have one, and as a last resort, go over and use the dark mode. So this is very important. Of course, dark mode also saves some battery. So we're gonna go over to display. Now in the display right up top here, we want to click dark, and this is how we can easily improve our battery life on the Samsung. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like and subscribe. Bye.